definitely got some damage over here, don't we? Good grief. All right, everyone. So today what I want to talk about is let's just have a Sunday conversation. I haven't done one of these in a while. I want to talk about a few things going on in the garden, a few ideas that I have moving forward, and a few other things. So sit back, relax, grab your coffee. This won't be a long video, I promise. Let's have a conversation. So first things first, let's talk about the two challenges that are coming to an end. The hashtag Garlic Challenge 2025 ends this week, the 15th. So if you have not submitted your submissions, do so soon. Big Willow Dog and I will be going through all the videos, recording everything, and seeing who has the largest single bulb of garlic and the largest 5 bulbs of garlic. The winner will be announced coming soon. Big Will put a video out, which I'm going to put down in the description below. Be sure to go over and check that out. He put it out, I think, a couple days ago, so definitely go check that out. Also, the hashtag Tomato Challenge 2025 is coming to an end in a month, September 15th. So again, on that, start getting your tomato videos submitted soon. Brian and I will be going through the videos, recording everything, seeing who's got the largest video, who has the largest tomato, and we'll announce the winner sometime in the middle to end of September. So those two challenges are coming to an end really quick, and I'm sure there'll be new challenges announced shortly. Maybe. This chair seems to be like my thank you chair. I don't know. What do I mean by that? So about 4.5 months ago, I put out a video where I thanked everybody, thanked you right here, all of y'all, for watching this channel, watching my videos and everything. And I thanked y'all because we hit 2 million views lifetime on the channel and 50,000 hours of watch time on the channel. As of about a week ago, I believe it was, the channel has now passed another 1 million views. So now we're past 3 million views on this channel, and this channel passed another 50,000 watched hours, meaning that the channel now has already passed 100,000 watched hours. Now, what does that really mean? That means that y'all are watching my videos. Y'all are engaging in this amazing community that we are all putting together, and I just can't thank y'all enough. Never, honestly, in wildest dreams thought this would be the case. Y'all like this goofy dude from Spring, Texas, and I so appreciate everything that y'all do for me, this channel, and more importantly, our community of gardeners. Because if you look in the comments to the videos, you could see the community alive, if you know what I mean. You're not just commenting on the video itself, you're commenting between each other. And that is important. That to me is important, because that's what a community does. We help each other, we talk to each other, we support each other. And then on my scripture and soil videos, y'all are really helping each other, praying for each other. That means more than anything to me. So having said all that, again, it just blows my mind how fast the channel's growing. So again, thank you. Okay, now on that topic and on that note of community, of channel growth, oh, check out all those peppers right there. They're really doing good. Also, check out those little Kobayashi peppers. Those are a sweet pepper. They are almost ready to harvest. I can't wait to try those. Okay, thought I had to throw some gardening in here. I mean, gardening channel. All right, so growth of the channel and some direction of the channel. I mentioned a while back that if the channel passed 10,000 subscribers, I would start doing monthly lives. Well, life has gotten away from me in a good way, not complaining. I just run out of time. Also, lives stress me out. Not gonna lie, they kind of freak me out because you just don't know what's gonna happen in a live. I'm not the most engaging person, I don't feel. I think I'm good once I get going, but just a lot of self-doubt. I'm just gonna keep it real with y'all. A lot of self-doubt when it comes to lives, but I actually like doing them once we get into the live. First few minutes always just kind of stresses me out a bit. But so here's the deal. Here's what I'm proposing to everybody here. When the channel passes 30,000 subscribers, I will start doing a monthly live. I'm gonna pick a Sunday, pick a time that should be pretty, hopefully okay with everyone from the east to the west coast, and we'll figure it out together. 30,000 subscribers. If we hit 50,000, I will start doing a weekly live. So those are my challenges to you all, because this isn't on me. I can't make the sub count go up. I can't make the subscriber count go up. That is all y'all. All right, so 30,000, I will start a monthly YouTube live. 50,000, I will start a weekly YouTube live. So that does two things. That challenges y'all, and it challenges me. So I kind of like it. It puts a healthy goal to reach. So there you go, y'all. It's on you. Okay, again, with channel growth, let's talk about a few things when it comes to the growth of a channel. So if you haven't noticed, I've been doing a few product videos throughout the year. That's for a couple reasons. One, it's to help me monetarily with the running of this channel, because if you all don't know, yes, starting a YouTube channel is free on YouTube. You don't have to pay to start a YouTube channel, but if you're going to, I think, have a channel that is engaging and brings people into whatever it is that your channel is, regardless if it's a cooking, mechanic, DIY, gardening, whatever channel, you need to have certain things that allows you to be more creative. Let me just put it that way. So when you hear music on the channel, I have to pay for that. When you see all the extras, like what's called stock video, when you see things that obviously are not here, I have to pay for those. Editing software to make the videos, things of that nature. Not to go down the rabbit hole, but it all costs money. So I've been doing certain product videos to bring in money to help me pay for the channel. I have not started a membership on the channel because I don't quite know what direction I would go with that. So that's kind of why I'm mentioning this right now. If you all have any suggestions, ideas of how I could start a membership, how you would like to see a membership, if you'd even be willing to join a membership for this channel, please drop it in the comments. Let me know so I can really start either nixing this idea or really start brainstorming on how I could create content that's worth your time and money, if that makes sense. And it's just to help me with the offset costs of running the channel. So that's why I've been doing product videos. Now let me say one thing. I turn down more products than you can imagine, which blows my mind. I never thought I would have so many different companies coming to me to partner, so to speak, or to send me a product and then I demo the product and I get to keep the product. Plus I'll get, an affiliate marketing kind of payout over time. I never thought any of that would happen, honestly, but it's been happening for a long time, and I turned down so many. But the ones that I do support or show, it's because I believe in their products. VigoGarden.com, their products are great, y'all. And they're asking me to do more. So we'll see. But I don't want y'all to think that, oh, he's just doing this because, you know, he, whatever. I'm doing it to help offset the cost of the channel. And pretty much all YouTubers do this because it does cost money to run a channel, especially if you're going to have a channel, again, that is that shows a lot, you know what I mean, that hopefully draws you in. Especially on my Bible videos, I've been adding a lot of extras in there to help engage the stories that I'm showing. And if you're not up to speed on those videos, go down into the playlist on my channel, and I think I've called it Bible Talk. I can't remember, honestly. I think I call it Bible Talk. There's 4 videos out about God in the garden, gardening in the Bible, that kind of a theme, and I really enjoy making those videos. But wanted to let you know that's why I'm doing these product things, not because I'm selling out. It's to help the cost of the video. And again, drop it in the comments if y'all would, 1, be willing to join some sort of a membership with this channel, 2, some ideas on what you would like to see if I start a membership for the channel. All right, y'all, I'm getting, there are so many bees around this loofah. I know I show this all the time, but it just blows my mind. Look at all of them. They're just everywhere. Okay, final thing right here. I'm kind of spitballing an idea, and I definitely would like your all's input on this. Ever since I started the Bible videos, I've had this huge weight lifted off my shoulders. Now, what do I mean by that? Because for over a year, I was pushing back against God, saying, no, I can't do that on this channel. No, I can't do that on this channel. This isn't that channel. God, I'm not comfortable. Y'all, once I let that all go, there's a huge weight off my shoulders. And once I listened to him and started doing the Bible videos, I've just had an internal peace. I don't really know how to explain it, unless you all have been through something like this, where you hear him and you kind of fight back against it a little bit, against him a little bit. And then once you submit to his will, it's like, oh, right? You know where I'm going with that? Am I making sense? Where am I going with this? My girlfriend has an app where she reads sections of the Bible each day, and by the end of the year, you've read the entire Bible. I think that's awesome. I've been doing that with her, and it's just an amazing thing to walk through the Bible. And it doesn't just stick with like this chapter, and then this chapter, and then this or this book, and the chapters, this book. It bounces all around. So you're getting like this well-rounded view of the Bible, where you're not just, okay, we're going to read the book of Genesis tonight, read chapters 1 through 9. You know, it's not that. It's like, here's this book and these chapters, and then here's these books and these chapters, and then the next day it's totally different stuff. So where am I going with this? Stop rambling. I'm debating whether I start a daily devotional, maybe a 2-minute, 3-minute daily devotional starting in January, going through the entire year. So January 1st to December 31st of 2026, where we do a daily devotional verse and chapters to read in the Bible, to where at the end of the year we have read the Bible together. Look, I'm going to be honest with everyone. It's going to be a lot of work on my part, which I don't mind. I'm up for the challenge if everyone would be up for the challenge. So my second thing that I would like for y'all to put down in the comments is, would you all be interested in that? Would this be something y'all would like to engage in with me? Now, I would still do all my normal gardening stuff, because the the theme of this channel is gardening. I mean, that's not ever going to change, but I've had such a huge response to the biblical videos that I'm thinking about doing a second part, a secondary feature on the channel for those of us that are believers and would like to fellowship in that direction. So do me the favor, drop it in the comments, yes or no. Would you be interested in something like that daily from me on this channel or not? If it's an overwhelming no, then I will continue praying and seeing the direction that I'm feeling from the Lord and go that direction. But instead of me fighting this for a year and putting this one off for a year, I thought I would immediately, because I've been feeling this for about a month and a half. I thought I would throw it out there to everyone, since this is our community, and see what the consensus is. So do me those favors. Let me know what y'all think and drop it in the comments. All right, let me check my checklist here. Did I hit everything I wanted to talk about? Yes. Hopefully I've kept this video pretty short, so I'm going to end it really quickly here. Everyone take care. May God continue to bless each and every one of you. I will talk to y'all again real soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Bye.